Hi everybody, this is Thomas Wynn from Wynn Capital, and this is a tutorial on how to go on to the TD Ameritrade website and find your 1099. So the first thing you can do, and the easiest way to get to the website, is go to the advisorclient.com website. Make sure that you're not going to the tdameritrade.com website. This is the retail site, and that's not where your 1099s are. If you're a client of Wynn Capital Management, you're on the institutional side, and it's advisorclient.com is the web address. So make sure that you've got the right web address. Now, that's the direct way to go, and that's what I recommend. You can also get there by going to my website, and then go to the client portals, and then go to TD Ameritrade, and you can log in there, and that'll take you to the correct web address, the institutional side. But either way, whether you go through my website or you go directly there, and I recommend going directly and then bookmark it so you don't have to go to the website first. Once you get there, this is what the page looks like. And if you forgot your password, you can go there. And if you need other help on your username, you can either call TD Ameritrade or email TD Ameritrade and either get your user ID or reset your password. Now, TD Ameritrade is Monday through Friday, regular business hours. If you can't find your username and password, you can always email me. I'm pretty much 24/7, so if you're working on the weekends and you lost your username, you can call me. Normally, your username is your last name and your first initial on whoever's the primary person in the account, if it's a couple or a family. So that's usually what your user ID is. So if you get past all that, you click the login button. There is sometimes info you have to put in if you haven't been in a long time. And then try to get them to remember that. Then you'll get sent to the home page, and usually it's an account overview. I've got a whole bunch of accounts that are on here, and the one that is taxable that would have a 1099 for me is this one. So if you have multiple accounts, and you might have 1099s that are in IRAs, some people have 1099s for IRAs, but most people have 1099s for taxable accounts. In my case, that's the case. So I'm navigating to the one that has a 1099, and then you hover over my account, and it'll bring up this section with all these different places you can go, but this is the place you want for tax documents. You click that, and as long as you're on the right account that has tax documents, you'll see year-end tax documents down here. You'll have a page, a drop-down that will give you various years. In this case, we're looking for 2017, and the form is right there. So you can left-click on the form and then download it and keep it on your computer and use it to file taxes or send it to your CPA. So that is all there is to it. If you have any questions about this, you can give me a call anytime. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.